Our new bouncing baby. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Bounce! Bouncing, Josh. Come on. Again. Gonna bounce again. Ah, very good. One more time. Go! And again, Josh. Bouncing. Come on. So good, Josh. Well done.
You're like training a dog, Alexi.
Train up, bounce. That's it, Josh. Little bouncy face. One more time. Okay. We can do this all night. Again, go. Josh. And bounce. And again. And bounce. Come on, bounce, bounce. And relax. And bounce. Very good, Josh. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye for now.
Bouncing baby. Bouncing baby. Bounce again, Josh. And go. And again. More bouncing. That's good. And again. Bounce, bounce. That's very good, Josh. You don't do some bouncing, Susie.
You mean me?
Yes.
What?
Come on, Josh.
Alright.
Josh, 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 Josh. Josh, 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 Josh. Bounce, bounce. Come on. And again.
Right.
Just use your hand to bounce him.
Okay?
Okay.
1, 2.
Now keep it in time with his bounce. Again.
Just.
Bounce, bounce. And again. Magic string. Invisible string.
Oh.
And again.
Bounce, bounce.
Huh?
Bounce, bounce.
Okay. Bye-bye.